How to connect mobile network to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, using a mobile hotspot. Step number 1, turn on mobile hotspot on your phone. Go to settings on your mobile phone. Find connections or network and internet, then select mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn on mobile hotspot and make a note of your hotspot name and password. Step number 2, connect Samsung TV to the mobile hotspot. On your Samsung TV, press the home button on the remote. Go to Settings, General, Network, Open Network Settings. Select Wireless and find your mobile hotspot in the list of available networks. Select your hotspot, enter the password, and connect. Method number 2, using USB tethering, if supported by your TV. Step number 1, enable USB tethering on your mobile. Connect your phone to the Samsung TV's USB port using a USB cable. On your mobile device, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Enable USB tethering. Step number 2, set network on TV. Your Samsung TV should recognize the network through USB automatically.